Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today showing you the install on the 2012 Ford F-350. Showing you the full walkthrough. We have the front seats here and we're going to do we have the seat covers that are in the charcoal Sof-Touch for the insert, black Sof-Touch for the trim. Really nice looking set. Also, this set had custom logos on it, so nice little personalization there. And again, we're going to show you the install. Everything fit on nice and tight, show you how to do this. Let's go. So let's check out the fabrics inside here. This setup that we did, and this is on a 40-20-40 seat. The setup inside here is the charcoal Sof-Touch for the insert and black Sof-Touch for the trim. Now both of these fabrics are in a simulated leather material. Again, charcoal for the insert, black for the trim. We typically like doing the darker colors towards the outside of the seat and a little bit of a lighter color in the middle if you're doing a two-tone solid color like this. Really nice setup. As you can see, trimmed out, headrest looks really nice. Now the headrest up here, you can see the customer did a custom logo for his company. So that's an option. If you have a logo that you want to do, you can contact us and we can do that with you. Or what you can do is take it into a local embroidery shop and they can sew that up for you. So that's another option. Or we do have pre-built logos that look really nice and you can choose one of those pre-built logos. So that's that. Now, one thing to look at here with the fitment on these seat covers is there's several different cutouts. You can see is different sections of this seat cover that make it really fit and mold to this seat really nice. So you can see there's kind of a top section here, side section, and then there's this insert section right here. And really those different sections make it look a lot more like a seat would look instead of just a standard seat cover. And then this horizontal stitching right here makes it look really nice. And this has about a 1/2 inch of foam backing for the back side here and the bottom. Just adds to the comfort as well as the look. It really adds to the look, just giving it a lot more dimension and looks a lot more like a seat. So that's one of the things that I really love about these is the fitment there and how nice they are. Now, I get questions a lot right here that people ask, hey, will these work with my side airbags on my seats here? And you can see right here that if you have side airbags, that if the airbag needs to deploy right there, then it just blows through this Velcro section right here. So that's taken care of. Side airbags are good to go if you have these. And again, that's that section right there. It can just blow through right there. Now let's come down and look at this bottom seat a little bit more, this bottom cushion, and see how nice and tight this tucks in right here. Now we have a full install video teaching you how to put these seat covers on this specific truck. Okay, and there's other install videos that we have on our site there, coversandcamo.com, and you can watch those videos and learn how to put the covers on your vehicle. And really you trim this in, put it in right here, and then there's straps and buckles that really keep everything cinched down nice and tight. So watch the install video to see how everything goes on. And the next thing I want to point out is this 20 section over here. Everything's going to fold and function just how it should. So if we look at this here, this 20 section in this truck has both a top storage section right here, and there's going to be a bottom storage section right here. And so the seat cover will allow for all of that functionality still, and it's going to look really nice. That 20 section, this middle section right here, is made out of that black Sof-Touch trim. So whatever trim choice you choose, that's what your 20 section is going to be made out of. And again, we have the install video showing you how to put these on and make it look all nice and custom fit like this right here. And we walk you through that, so don't worry about the install. Let's check out the back side of the seat covers now. So again, this is the back side of the passenger seat that I'm looking at, and here's the back side of that 20 section right here. And as you can see, they're nice and custom fit, coming around here. Now, this particular set of seat covers didn't have rear pockets on there. You could add a rear map size pocket or the special ops package or a tactical setup back here for rifles and guns and gear, and we'll show you some more photos of that. And also some videos on our website you can check out, coversandcamo.com, for different setups to carry guns and gear back there. But again, this was a work truck and they just needed it to protect the seats and to wipe things down. So this, again, this Sof-Touch here is a simulated leather that's going to be super easy to wipe down. And as you can see right here, it's covering the full backside, and then even down here along this bottom section right here is covered as well. Normally that's carpet down there, and that can get really dirty with boots and gear getting back here, and tools can hit that carpet and it can be kind of tough to clean. But now that's covered right there. Now you can see this 20 section right here. This is connected to the 20 section top right there, and so that's Velcroed on, and that's all covered right there as well. So if you're taking your shovels and picks and, you know, dirty gloves and things like that and put it inside here, that's all going to be covered and nice and clean and easy to wipe down right there. So back sides are looking really good here. You can see the website if you want to add on different pocket options there for the backside here, which we really like. I have the special ops package on my own vehicle, and lots of cool options that you can do on the backside here. So again, this was a really cool looking set with the charcoal and black, and definitely one of my recommended choices to go on for your vehicle. Now there are other colors though, so there's reds and tans, browns. So if you have a brown Ford, you know, that's a really common interior color for Ford is brown and tan. So we have sandstone and brown available if you want to choose those. Now if you have AC seats and you're wondering, hey, is there air conditioning, you know, can that come through? There's perforated Sof-Touch as well, so that's available to allow the air to pass through a little bit better. And maybe you're saying, hey, can I do some other things? I've seen some diamond stitch on your site. And so there is a diamond stitch option available as well. So instead of the standard horizontal stitch, for an additional charge, you can get a diamond stitching for the insert section, which is really cool as well. So you may want to check that out on the site. So lots of different color options in simulated leathers, but then there's also lots of options in the canvas line as well. So if you want to choose a camouflage or the Dura Easy Care, those are 5 and 600 denier nylons, super durable, water resistant still, just like these are going to be water resistant, easy to clean. These are probably the easiest to clean because it's a simulated leather and it just kind of wipes right off. It does warm up a little bit more in the summer, so you may want to go for a canvas if you don't want it to warm up as much. But again, if easy to clean is your #1 goal, then I would go with a simulated leather because it's going to wipe up really nice. So I really liked how this set turned out. Custom logos, super cool. So if you have a work truck and you want your company logo on there, you could take it to a local embroidery shop or get it done with us. And just a nice looking set for your trucks. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more install videos or review videos of different sets of seat covers, you can go to coversandcamo.com. And also that is the website where you can build up an order if you want to place an order for your vehicle. Give us a call, shoot us an email if you want our recommendations of what may look good inside your vehicle. And also, just so you know, we don't just do trucks. We also offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, SUVs, side-by-sides, lots of cars as well. So if you have another vehicle that you want to get seat covers on, check out the website or give us a call. We're happy to help you out. Again, coversandcamo.com. Thanks.